Alrighty, y'all. So this is my buddy. Every morning when we come out to film, he's always here. Go ahead and back up so then they can see him. So he was a bottle baby. He's personally not my bull. He's my neighbor's bull, but he's very kind. But he's a big old baby. Big old baby. Smells like a bull though. But at any time, he could kill me within less than a second. He just could whack his head and kill me, but he doesn't for now. So he changes his mind and I stop itching his head. Then he'll probably kill me. So, there you go, y'all. Like all the way to the end.